useless animal! I never want to see you again!
My owner chased me away because I am old.
Come, walk with me. You're not alone now.
They said I was too old. After all these years, they just chased me away.
Tomorrow morning, my owner plans to make a feast out of me.
To the finest haul we've ever had.
We did it!
Look at this treasure!
Ghost!
They're home! They're finally home!
And look what they brought with them. It's magnificent. Never underestimate anyone because of age.